the Bitcoin corporate FOMO is off the charts right now. What we're seeing is absolutely unprecedented in the history of the cryptocurrency markets. We're going to be talking about that. We've got meme coin updates. We've got DEPIN updates, political updates. We've got all kinds of fun stuff. So let's go ahead and jump straight into it by starting off talking about this. Michael, Giga Chad, Giant Balls, Sailor. They bought 51,780 Bitcoin for $4.6 billion, an average price of $88,627 per Bitcoin. Holy cow, they now have like 320,000 Bitcoin over at MicroStrategy. They're on track to getting 2% of the supply. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy, man. So much Bitcoin. It's nuts. And they're not stopping there. They just announced the plan again to raise another $1.75 billion to buy more Bitcoin. This is insanity. MicroStrategy, man. Holy cow. Sam Callahan here pointing out MicroStrategy's buying more. Marathon Digital, major Bitcoin miner, they're buying more Bitcoin. Semler Scientific, they're $20 million more Bitcoin. Only 215 Bitcoin. I know it's a little tiny amount compared to, Big Balls, Sailor, and Marathon and those others, but still, they're buying more. Metaplanet buying more Bitcoin. It's absolutely crazy what is going on right now. These are wild freaking numbers. Hey, by the way, shout out to Marathon there. That could be an interesting stock to watch. Not only are they a Bitcoin miner, not stock advice, by the way, just a thought. Not only are they a Bitcoin miner, but they're also borrowing money to buy more Bitcoin, basically following the MicroStrategy play. And you saw what happened to MicroStrategy, right? Holy cow, that stock's gone bonkers, man. And you know what? MicroStrategy is not the only one just up in their game, because Marathon saw, yeah, Sailor, you're going to buy $4.5 billion and then raise another $1.75 billion the next day and buy more Bitcoin. Screw it. We're going to up our raise from $700 million to $1 billion, man. That's crazy. And of course, Bitcoin ETFs have not stopped buying either. Look at this. 18 November, $250 million inflow. Just a casual $250 million. It's just such a small number. Only $250 million on Monday. Lame Wall Street. Come on. You guys had $1 billion days last week. $250 million. What is this crap? Paul Tudor Jones holds $250 million with a BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF. Bullish. Paul Tudor Jones is bullish on Bitcoin. I'm bullish on Bitcoin. I'm always bullish on Bitcoin. I know Paul's always bullish on Bitcoin as well, but gosh darn it. That's fantastic to hear. James Seifert saying the OCC has confirmed IBIT options. So basically, Bitcoin, ETF, BlackRock options contracts are here, which is going to just create a whole new level of crazy velocity, in my opinion, for Bitcoin ETF products. So very, very exciting. Before we get into the charts, of course, guys, there's still a few days left on the BitUnix sweet deal they got going on. So here's the thing. BitUnix, you can come and trade all the top coins, all right? You can trade the top altcoins. You can trade them on spot or futures, Dog with Hat, Popcat, whatever, Solana. They got you covered, man. They also have Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the other top stuff, right? This is a no KYC exchange. So if you want to trade with privacy, I know that's a lot of you guys, okay? If you want to have a no KYC option for your exchange trading fun, here's what you need to do. Link down below in the description. That's step one. Click on it, start your account, deposit $200 or more, and you'll get $150 back, which is insane. That's an insane deposit bonus. You'll get that coupon same day you deposit, okay? So give it a few hours, but it'll come through. This campaign runs until the 23rd, so it's just a few more days left. If you want to claim that $150 for free, go check it out, if you're a trader, of course. Price of Bitcoin hasn't done much since yesterday. We are just consolidating right up here, man. We're consolidating here, so we're going to start pumping higher pretty soon is my guess, but currently we are still about 10% away from that critical 100K big fat psychological round number mark, okay? We're going to get there. CryptoCom, the great chart, Bitcoin monthly RSI bull run is here with two major tops to go, okay? Critical to realize, two major tops to go. March 2024 at a first glance may look like a topping point in overbought territory, but it's a mirror of 2017 resistance at all-time highs. This indicator is simple and effective. What's the point here? There's lots more room to grow. You see this? Lots more room to go. We want to get up here. We want to get up here. See these points 1 and 2 there? Be interesting. Gosh, if we do a double bubble again this year, it'd be insane. Oh, 2025, not this year. Next year in 2025, this cycle. If we do a double bubble where we get like, 150K top in March, April, and then it just dumps 50%, and then it goes up to a 250K or 300K top in December of next year. Oh my gosh, it'd be the Max Payne scenario, but absolutely amazing and brilliant if it happens. I'd love it. Okay, political news. So BlackRock's Larry Fink, the master of the universe himself, one of the most powerful men in the world, basically ever. Well, Larry Fink and at least one senior BlackRock executive have been contracted with the Trump team as they search for a U.S. Treasury Secretary. I mean, if they put Larry frickin' Fink in charge of the Treasury, I mean, no, actually what it is really, they're asking Larry Fink, Larry, who's the guy, man? They're not going to put Larry Fink in. Larry Fink's got bigger shit to do than run the U.S. Treasury Secretary position. No, but they'll ask Larry Fink who he wants, and then we'll see exactly who Larry Fink wants get appointed to Treasury Secretary, because that's how the game works. Probably going to be somebody pro-crypto, because Larry is freaking orange-pilled as heck. Trump embracing crypto meets Coinbase CEO. Now, this is crazy, okay? Brian Armstrong, okay? CEO of Coinbase, met with Trump, okay, to discuss personal appointments. That's very interesting. Trump now invested in cryptos, embraced digital currencies, sending Bitcoin to soaring to $91,000. Yep. So Trump is meeting with the CEO of Coinbase, guys. My coin stocks are going to go so much damn higher. I know it. $1,000 coin incoming. That's my personal opinion, not stock advice, obviously. Holy cow. What if they made Brian Armstrong the frickin' Treasury Secretary? Oh my God, that'd be insane. Probably not going to happen, but that'd be crazy if it happened. I mean, holy cow. This guy posting, come on, Brian, you got this. Trojan, Brian Armstrong, Trojan Horse, United States, Trump, our tokens. Let's go. Let's go. Now, here's an insane one. Trump Media and Technology Group is reportedly in talks to buy crypto platform Backed for over $100 million. Now, this is, if you guys weren't around back in like 2019 or something, Backed was like the big story, okay? It was like Wall Street and big, nerdy, traditional finance suit bros getting into crypto with Backed. They didn't do very much. They've kind of struggled to get adoption. They got all the licenses and shit. This is the thing. So if Trump buys this, he essentially gets all the big licenses that come with them. And if they buy this, basically the U.S. president is going to own like a giant cryptocurrency exchange, as well as launching a DeFi platform, as well as selling NFTs, as well as talking about making Bitcoin a strategic reserve asset. Nobody's bullish enough. This is crazy. Protect this man at all costs. Cointelegraph, altcoin trading volume has surged past $300 billion for the first time since 2021. Is altcoin season around the corner? What's crazy is you think this looks big. Oh, this is like giant. Look like back here. No. This here, right? This giant surge right here, this is more like the first big step back here in September, let's say December 2020, okay? We still have the Burj Khalifa pattern to play out, okay? We got some time. Hold. Be patient. Binance to launch a new stablecoin with 19.55% APY. Guys, we did this one already. What the heck are you doing? What are you doing? We don't need a 20% APY stablecoin. It doesn't work. Holy crap. Of course, if anybody remembers the UST and Luna and all that bullshit back in the day, and Anchor Protocol with this 20% APY. Oh, lost so much money. It's fantastic. Anyway, guys, what the freaking heck is this, man? Jameson Lop here at the Great Meme. Where's the yield come? Where does the yield come from? It's true. A16Z. I know a Z, Americans, Z's. A16Z crypto. DEPIN is one of the most exciting areas in crypto right now. Great progress being made across decentralized wireless mapping, energy, etc. Big things happening right across the DEPIN world. And look at some of this stuff like Helium, 374,000 active hotspots. That's insane. It's a crypto network, man. Hive Mapper, 348 million kilometers mapped. Like, we got really cool stuff going on in DEPIN right now. And that's fantastic. Now, by the way, shout out, of course, to my Peak bags. So Peak is as they say, powering the machine economy. Basically, a layer one blockchain for DEPIN and machine real world assets. So I am an investor in Peak, by the way. So the token just released recently. I sold about a third of my tokens just to get a bit of, the capital back, essentially. So that was, a third of my first release was like a tiny fraction of my overall percentage invested. If you guys ever want to see holding the rest of the 2/3 of the tokens that have released so far. And we have a lot more tokens coming in the future. It's a whole vesting round because I'm a private round investor. Anyway, if you ever want to see my portfolio disclosures, by the way, you should check down below in the description here on YouTube, the pinned comment over on X. You can see my current portfolio holdings. You can see my venture round investments, my OTC deals, all that fun kind of stuff, okay? Transparency, folks. Go check it out if you want to check it out. And of course, you also find a risk statement there because investing in crypto is risky. You can lose all your money. No, really? You can lose all your money like that? It's fucking crazy, man. It's crypto. Holy shit. Anyway, bullish on peak because DEPIN has been one of the most bullish sectors in 2024. Now, we don't talk about it quite as much. Basically, it goes AI, well, it goes meme coins, number one, AI, number two, and they capture a huge percentage of the mind share right now. But then right down in third and fourth place is real world assets and DEPIN. And they capture a similar amount of mind share and a very, very large amount of mind share. I mean, way more than like, DeFi or like, layer 2 governance tokens. Geez. But DEPIN's going to be awesome, and I'm bullish on DEPIN more broadly for the future of crypto. So definitely peak is something to keep an eye on in that regards. They're already hit $1 billion total machine value in the peak ecosystem. And as A16 points out here, we are going to see a lot more big things happening with these physical infrastructure networks being decentralized into the crypto land, okay? And this is a layer 1 blockchain that's going to run a lot of exciting stuff across it, okay? So one to keep an eye out for. Noodles here, bull posting on Shrub. This is one of my newest meme coin positions. This is the hedgehog taking over the meme coin space. Apparently it's Elon Musk's hedgehog. That's basically all I need to know about it, guys. Elon Musk might tweet about this once in a while. I think they put the Shrub hedgehog on one of the SpaceX rockets they sent up the other day. Huh? Literally sending this shit to the moon. Well, not to the moon, but into space. Maybe they'll send it to Mars one day. Think about it, man. Think about it. Don't mid-curve it. I mean, the animal farm, which is memes, just so silly sometimes. But anyway, we got a little position in this. If it goes up 10x at some point in the future, maybe. Fantastic. If it goes to 0, you win some, you lose some. Trending memes over on Base in the last 7 days. Now, the Base ecosystem is definitely not beginning quite the same level of love that the Solana meme coin system is, but 100% Base is in second place, like very closely behind the Solana meme coin ecosystem. Now, stuff like Shrub, it launched on Ethereum, and there's some great Ethereum memes, obviously. Stuff like Pepe's over on Ethereum, Shrub's on Ethereum now, so it's not as easy to get because you got to spend $40 on a Uniswap swap to buy it. But Base has some absolutely incredible memes. Things like Brett, things like Benji, and all these other things you see here. So a lot of cool stuff going on over on Base as well in the meme coin scene. And the scene's not quite as red hot as Solana, but I still believe that Base has massive potential and that Base memes have big potential as well, okay? UniPCS, the bonk guy, he says, take a very careful look at the screenshot below. Floki Coinbase's listing has gotten more engagement in 17 hours than the Pepe and WIF listings both got in 3 days combined. That's crazy, man. Floki for the win. Look at that. Beauty. Again, so much opportunity in the meme coin space, and you don't have to take the most degenerate plays from Pump.Fun. You can actually find these more established communities that are in the mid hundreds of billions range or $100 million market cap or even $1 billion or $2 billion. Still has probably great potential for the rest of the cycle. Okay? Guys, if you're not signed up to the newsletter yet, get signed up to the newsletter. Best damn newsletter in crypto. You'll love it. No, seriously. Link down below. It's free. Seriously awesome newsletter. We talk about all the latest stuff going on to try and help keep you ahead of the curve in this fast-moving market, okay? Altcoins, meme coins, DeFi, airdrops, and much more. Check it out. It's free. Awesome. Guys, thank you so much. I'll see you back in the next one. Peace.